A former senator and Batangas province representative straightened out a sitting representative of the province who is whining of his constituents being discriminated against in the distribution of the 200,000 peso allocation for local government units under the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. It turns out his constituencies in a number of towns or LGUs failed to produce the necessary documentation and requirements. As we hear more from our Clazel Pardilla.
No political color, no partisan bias. Malacanang defends the distribution of aid to local government units under President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s administration.
Sabi ng Pangulo, bawat bayan makikinabang, bawat barangay makikinabang, walang pinipiling kulay dito. Lahat po kayo ay bibigyan ng ayuda.
Malacanang made the statement after Batangas Representative Leandro Leviste alleged discrimination in his district. Leviste claimed 84 barangays in Taal and Nasugbu did not receive assistance from the aid distributed by the President in Batangas last week.
Sila ay nakapagsumite isang linggo pa bago ang April 24. Ang pinakapunot dulo po ay hindi po sila inimbitahan.
According to Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, the release of funds to barangays in Nasugbu is ready following their absence during the distribution day. The transfer of assistance to Taal was delayed due to the alleged non-submission of required documents. Several other towns also have yet to receive their budget due to incomplete requirements. The palace urged recipients to complete all required documents. Levise said 84 barangays will now submit their requirements directly to Malacanang.
Hindi po maaari mabigyan agad-agad ng ayuda kapag walang dokumento dahil magiging subject ito sa COA report. Kung meron po kayong kinakailangang mga dokumentong makumpleto, ikumpleto niyo po lahat yan at wag po kayong magpadala sa politika. Lahat po kayo makakatanggap ng ayuda.
Under the Bawat Barangay Makikinabang program, each barangay will receive 200,000 pesos. Half of the amount will fund the construction of a health center, evacuation center, or the purchase of patrol vehicles. Another 100,000 pesos is allocated for the finisher program or support for graduating students in their barangays. According to Malacanang data, 90% or 980 of 1,078 barangays have already received funding. Apart from the 200,000 peso assistance, President Marcos also distributed 10 kilos of rice to residents in Batangas.
Asahan po ninyo, hindi ito minsanan. Hindi ito nangyari, ganito, magpo-programa tayo, magpapapicture tayo, tapos wala na, hindi nyo na makikita. Halimbawa, yung pagbigay ng bigas ay kada 2 buwan ay magbibigay ulit ng bigas. So, 6 na beses sa isang taon.
Clazel Pardilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.